Welcome back to Command and Code and Dummy Lab about network security. In this session, I'm going to share you how we using this level 2 firewall and also introduce the new filter, the assistant panel, where you can ask anything about the level you interact or across any level you have been selecting for practice through the this dummy lab. And let's get started. So of course, when you enable the firewall and you start can block the client or block the attacker, then you will have any like firewall to block any basic requests. You cannot just plan out or like capture any like people who try to sniff in the traffic, but you can block like the number of scan it get to the firewall. And by the way, when you click on the action or you understand the network topology in the level you being practice, you can start take the quicks. And in here you can start taking any quick you want, or for now like I'm lazy because the main thing I want to show you in this video is this one, the viewing AI assistant. This is open and free use for anyone who would like to interact with this dummy lab. For example, I select what is nmap scan, and if you send, it will take a little bit depend on the network you connect, but here it will respond for you, telling you what is the nmap, is the network scan tools that you have to find device on the network, and can cover open port and the service running. And you might curious like what is the firewall rule to block and map scans, and can you give me an example? And to allow any like people try to bombing my AI assistant boss, I only allow like the letter, number, space, and some type of like question mark or punctuation, but the maximum character does allow it only like 200 characters for now. And when you send it, it will take a little bit, but it will get you the response. For example, like you might get blocked on the income symbol rule and drop on the income traffic for port between like 1 to 1,204. This is way like map cannot detect the service running on those. And you can add more questions as you go, but that is the demo for today. In this session, I would like to introduce you the new assistant panel allow with the time you interact with the lab. And again, let's walk through. You can select any level you could like to practice. Like right now I only have 5 level adding, but depend on the time you watching the video, we have more level, and maybe the lab can be different a little bit on the UI, but not gonna be like too much different compared to what we initially like initial. It may be not too different. It might not be too different compare with for now. I try to keep this version really consistency on the UI, and you know it's hard to change the UI as you go, and I try to focus on the content I deliver to you on, not really how to make it fancy, look fancy. And again, this is just a dummy lab. There are no hooking up server, so you set to play, and there's nothing to be concerned because you don't have to put any personal credential and personal information on the lab. The only person that have to be concerned that's me. Maybe I don't want to be some people to like bombing this AI assistant panel, but I believe everyone use this one for the good thing only, so I'm not too worried about it. So if you like it, give me a thumb up in this video, and if you have any question, put down below in the comment. We can discuss, and you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or Twitter from my ex for any further discussion if you get lied to. I think that's it pretty much. Bye.